Hey guys, I told you I was going to try to do a live stream today. Don't know it's going to happen because 5G sucks. I think everybody's trying to do things using phone tethering and it's not really working. Did want to let you know though, I'm good. I will be uploading this, if I get a chance to edit and stuff. I do plan on uploading some stuff for you guys today to let you know we are okay. One of my neighbors, I'm going by what Todd told me. He told me that one of my neighbors had a tree. Oh, yeah. I'm going to walk over there real quick and let you guys see that their oak tree fell down. Now, we don't have any of the oaks. Yeah. So, because we took them down, because we thought I was allergic and all the things, you can hear our generator running. And I'm stepping over some things that Todd had trimmed down a little while back. But anyway, our neighbor had they actually had a tree that fell over a different road. They have their oak tree. It's across the street. So yeah, it went right across a different street, basically right straight away from their house, which is good. And if you're wondering, this is a live oak. And this is what it looks like out of the ground. Let me switch the camera. If I can remember how to do it. Oh, I can't do that on this because I'm not actually live. Okay, yeah, that's dirt. That's where it used to be in the ground. So with live oaks with water oaks compared to live oaks, the water oaks don't have as good of a root system, which means they fall over if they get hit by too much wind, especially when they are so friggin' tall. We didn't have that problem because you know what? We took all of ours down. So we're happy about that. I'm now walking toward where Todd is. Looks like the end of our street because they put in a new highway, they changed some things, they put in a big retention pond that apparently doesn't have good drainage because now we have water basically up almost to our next door neighbor's driveway. So yeah. So we can't walk down that way. We were going to walk out and see what kind of damage and stuff is out here. So anyway, we're fine. We don't have power. We don't have internet as I expected. And I don't know when they're coming back, but I will upload this via 5G as soon as I'm able to because I haven't been able to get the 5G really to work yet. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Love y'all. Bye.